From a workwear staple to a fashion statement. Now, denim's a durable cotton twill fabric known for its indigo dye and diagonal ribbing. It has a rich history that spans from humble origins as workwear for gold miners to its current status as a fashion staple favoured by streetwear enthusiasts and celebrities. In this comprehensive film, we will delve into the past, present and future of denim, tracing its evolution from a functional workwear staple to a coveted fashion item. We'll also examine the rise of iconic brands such as Levi's, the Japanese denim phenomenon, and contemporary denim brands like Nudie, Australia's own Ksubi, and G-Star, shedding some light on their contributions to the ever-evolving denim industry. The story of denim begins in the 19th century with its emergence of a durable fabric suitable for rugged work environments. Levi Strauss, a Bavarian immigrant to America, played a pivotal role in popularising denim through the creation of the first pair of blue jeans in 1873. Initially designed as sturdy work pants for miners and labourers in the American West, the waist overalls as they were called, were crafted from denim fabric reinforced with copper rivets for added strength. And this innovation laid the foundation for what would eventually become the iconic Levi's 501 jeans. As denim gained traction in the workwear industry, its durable nature and versatility made it an ideal choice for labourers, cowboys and ranchers. The fabric's ability to withstand harsh conditions and constant wear and tear solidified its reputation as a practical and reliable choice for individuals engaged in manual labour. And over time, denim became synonymous with resilience, functionality and utilitarianism, setting the stage for its transition from workwear staple to a fashion phenomenon.
You know what comes between me and my Calvins? Nothing.
In the later half of the 20th century, we witnessed a significant shift in the perception of denim as it transformed from a utilitarian garment to a symbol of rebellion, counterculture, and ultimately fashion. In the 1950s and 1960s, the rise of denim as a symbol of youth rebellion, with icons such as James Dean and Marlon Brando popularising the denim jeans as a symbol of youthful nonconformity. And this cultural shift propelled denim into the realm of fashion, where it soon became a canvas for self-expression and personal style.
Hey, these are keen. Hey, Johnny, hey, get a load of this.
They're real bells. Aren't they cute?
Crazy.
Hey, somebody tell me what that means. BRMC. What does it mean?
Black Rebels Motorcycle Club.
Isn't that cute? Hey, Johnny, what are you rebelling against?
What do you got?
Hey, Kathy, aren't they wonderful? Did you hear what I said? I said, what does that mean? BRMC. And he said the Black Rebels Motorcycle Club. I said, well, what are you rebelling against, Johnny? And he said, what have you got?
In the 1970s and 1980s, this marked the era of the designer denim as high-end fashion labels started incorporating denim into their collections, elevating it from a working-class roots to a coveted luxury item. And the period also witnessed the emergence of distressed and embellished denim, as designers experimented with washes and finishes and treatments to create unique and expressive garments. Denim became a symbol of individuality, with consumers seeking out styles that reflected the personality and lifestyle. In the 21st century, denim's influences only continued to grow, permeating every facet of the fashion industry. From the catwalks of Paris to the streets of Tokyo, denim has maintained its status as a timeless and versatile fabric. And the proliferation of streetwear culture and the influence of hip-hop and rap music have further cemented denim's place in the contemporary lexicon, with artists and influencers embracing denim as a means of expressing their personal style and cultural identity. Japanese denim artisans are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail, traditional craftsmanship, and an unwavering dedication to quality. The origins of Japanese denim can be traced back to the mid-20th century, following the end of World War II, when Japan began to rebuild its economy and develop its manufacturing capabilities again. And in the 1960s and 70s, Japanese textile mills started producing denim fabrics using traditional shuttle looms, a method that had been largely abandoned in the West in favour of more efficient projectile looms. And this decision to embrace traditional weaving techniques set the stage for the renaissance of Japanese denim, allowing for the creation of fabrics with distinctive character, depth, and texture. And the revival of traditional indigo dyeing methods such as rope dyeing and natural indigo fermentation further distinguished Japanese denim from its counterparts, resulting in denim with rich, deep hues and unique fading properties. And the dedication to preserving these time-honoured techniques not only reflects a commitment to craftsmanship, but also imbues Japanese denim with a sense of authenticity and heritage that sets it apart in the global market. Beyond its technical prowess, Japanese denim embodies a cultural significance deeply rooted in the ethos of craftsmanship, dedication and perseverance. And the meticulous artistry of labour-intensive production methods behind Japanese denim symbolises the country's commitment to excellence, as well as its ability to seamlessly merge tradition and modernity. The enduring influence of Japanese denim extends beyond the realms of fashion, resonating with individuals who value authenticity, heritage, and the art of slow, deliberate craftsmanship. And the cultural resonance has led to the global proliferation of Japanese denim, with enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike seeking out these prized garments as a testament for their appreciation for quality and tradition. So the enduring influence today, Japanese denim stands as a paragon of excellence in the fashion industry. Revered for its unparalleled quality, artisanal heritage, and timeless appeal. Its influence has permeated the global denim market, inspiring designers, brands and consumers to recognise and celebrate the artistry and ingenuity between each meticulously crafted piece. As we look to the future, denim's evolution appears to be poised to continue, driven by a combination of technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, and evolving consumer preferences. The fashion industry's increasing focus on sustainability and ethical production methods has prompted denim manufacturers and brands to explore innovative approaches to reduce their environmental footprint. One notable trend shaping the future of denim is the rise of sustainable and eco-friendly denim production. Innovations such as 3D printing, laser finishing, and performance-enhancing fabric treatments have revolutionised denim production, allowing for greater customisation and functionality. Furthermore, the democratisation of fashion through e-commerce and social media has given rise to a new era of consumer engagement and brand storytelling. Denim brands are leveraging digital platforms to connect with their audience, share their heritage and showcase their products, fostering a sense of community and authenticity. The emphasis on storytelling and brand transparency has become a vital part of the denim industry's evolution, as consumers seek meaningful connections with the brands they support. Levi Strauss & Co., who were founded in 1853, stands as an enduring symbol of denim's heritage and innovation. From the first creation of blue jeans to the advancements of denim technology, Levi's has left an indelible mark on the industry. And the brand's commitment to quality, craftsmanship and timeless design has solidified its position as a global leader in denim, transcending generations and cultural boundaries. And that's also significantly shaped the contemporary denim conversation. Japanese denim artisans are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail, traditional craftsmanship, and an unwavering dedication to quality. In the contemporary world of fashion, or denim, brands like Nudie jeans and Ksubi and G-Star have emerged as trailblazers, redefining denim with their distinctive aesthetics, sustainable practices, and innovative designs. While Australia's Ksubi brand has its rebellious spirit and avant-garde approach, have resonated with a new generation of denim enthusiasts. G-Star's Raw's pioneering use of raw denim and architectural design principles have redefined the boundaries of denim innovation, pushing the envelope into what is possible within the realm of denim fashion. Going from a functional workwear staple to a global fashion phenomena is a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. As we look to the future, denim's evolution continues to be shaped by market forces, sustainability, technology, cultural influences, propelling it into new realms of creativity and innovation. And the legacies of iconic brands now will weave their stories into the fabric of denim.